Hello there! Today I want to show you a very interesting light. Now, on my channel, I have already presented you some technologies, and especially the technologies, principally what they are. Now I want to do a lot of variation of them, because that's actually the awesome part of bulbs. So, today I want to start with a black light incandescent light. Why not? Let's get straight into the video. Let's make light. Now this is a black light, however you should know that it's a near UV light. Now this typically means that it's centered around the violet and ultraviolet bandwidth. However, it's not that harmful as actual UV lamps. Still, I would recommend you to be conscious and work consciously. Don't forget it's UV light still. I would not recommend you high exposures, so that means not for a long time. I recommend making for an experiment, for fluorescent testing, yes, but I do not recommend you to be exposed to this for a very long time. Now the UV amount is not that powerful anyway, so we're going to see how that later. For now, we know because of the box it's 75 watt, E27, 230 watts. It's a 1000 hour. This is the lifetime. It's a decoration bulb, and actually there is no energy classes. I don't know why. It's kind of random. Actually, there's not a lot of information about this bulb whatsoever. I'm going to unbox it. The bulb is black, and we see the same color as in real life, and you might even see the traces that sometimes appear of the deep violet light. So let's show it in. Also, before switching the light on, I will add the fact that I have a power meter, so we are going to see what is the real wattages. I have tested actually on rather accurate LEDs, and it shows a very good value. It's around 0.5% accuracy, so let's see. So let's turn it out in 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, some clarification that I will have to do with this bulb is that you see that in the corner, right down, actually in the right corner on the bottom, you can see this weird violet, rather however more red. This is actually infrared, and unfortunately this does not produce these wavelengths, so it's actually way more violet in reality. So in real life it's way more violet. This is a bit way too bluish, but unfortunately, since it's an incandescent light, it also gives a lot of infrared light, so that's a downside. Now, according to the power meter, it shows me 67 watts. This is definitely off of the what's printed already on. However, well, not so bad, but it's better than it doesn't exceed the limit. But 67 should be, the numbers should actually be quite around, don't you think? Okay, let's maybe see the marker. Yeah, this is a highlighter, as some call, and as you can see, it fluoresces. However, these can be also activated, apparently also not necessary with UV, but this is actually kind of the point where you would buy these, is because they make any highlighters that contain fluorescent chemicals, it makes them look much cooler, especially when you draw with them. I should add that this will quite warm up, so I would not recommend you touch it. It will be painful. and I will recommend you to let it cool down after the shutdown of the lamp. Okay, just don't forget, let it cool down, especially I would maybe recommend you 2 minutes or maybe even 3, just to be sure that the lamp will not burn you. So just let it a bit. So if you have any questions about this particular bulb or generally about this technology that has been used, leave a comment and I will try to answer it as quick as possible. And hit the subscribe if you want to be notified when I'm going to make another video. Probably going to be about this infrared bulb, so see how that is going to go. And we're going to see you next time. Bye bye.